If I'm looking to sell my business, how do I make it more appealing to potential buyers?
So, exit strategy. A lot of people in business don't think about that. Have you got a plan? Where are you going? Where do you want to be in 5 years' time? That great interview question, but once you're in business, you don't think about it so much, and you're caught on the day-to-day treadmill, I guess, of doing your business and performing it. But really, you should have a thought to the future. What kind of questions do you find with people? Are they looking at this, or do they need help with it?
All of the above, Ian.
Yeah.
Quite frankly, all
Right.
of the above. When we meet small business owners, very frequently they have no idea what their company is worth,
Yeah.
how to value their company, and they certainly don't know how they would go about to position their business for a sale.
Right.
And that's where we have actually developed a proprietary approach to help a company position itself for sale. We've actually written a book called the Exit Strategy Handbook, but it's part of our proprietary approach where we work with the owner to build a success team around it. And this usually takes place starting a year or two before the target
Right.
date for sale.
Getting ready for it. Yeah.
Exactly. And a key part of those success team players, besides tax advisors, M&A advisors, attorneys, and so forth, are as well the financial partners who play a role in this, companies like yourself, who make sure that they're there to provide the liquidity.
Yeah.
So that the owner can actually see that process through. Today there's about 150,000 small businesses out there with revenues of between 9 and 100 million, and there's only 9,000 of those companies that are sold each year.
Wow.
And that's because the business owner really doesn't know how to go about doing this, and together with you, we actually help them go through that maze.
That's great, Steve. I think people just don't think about it, and it's something that you have to prepare for. It's like planning for retirement, and this can be your retirement. Why not maximize the value of your company? To see you providing that advice and putting it in a book as well, I think is an invaluable resource for small businesses. Take a moment, think about it, and if you haven't got an exit strategy, reach out to Steve and his company, because there's some great tools that you should look at and employ to prepare for when you're ready to sell your business and maximize the value for it.